Hello my dear friends, how are you all? This is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this cute father and son paper quilling 3D model for upcoming Father's Day. So I have created this beautiful showpiece and added some die cutouts to decorate it little bit more. It's looking super cute. So let's get started. For this, first I am starting with the father's face and I am taking 5 strips of black color 3 mm and making one tight coil for back portion of face, that is the hair area. So the tight coil is ready, just securing it using glue. And in the same way I have created one more tight coil using 3 mm peach color using 5 strips. So I am creating domes for both the tight coils, adding glue inside the domes and connecting with each other. So face is ready. Now I am starting with the neck, so I am taking half strip of peach color and creating a small ring. I have just cut my 3 mm strip from center and created this thin strip. So neck is ready. Then here I have created this tight coil using 10 strips of blue color 5 mm for upper body, and I am just opening it with my fingers and creating a deeper dome. Just add glue inside the dome. Then I am just adding the neck on top of this and then attaching face as well. Like this. Now I am starting with the hand. For this I am taking 1.5 strip of light blue 5 mm and making one tight coil. Just add glue, secure it, and then I am going to insert one pencil through this and making one cone. Like this, and this cone is created using one strip of 3 mm peach color. So now I am just adding glue inside the cone and connecting both the cones with each other. Then I am taking 1.5 strip of 3 mm peach color and making one tight teardrop shape for palm. So also I am going to connect the palm with hands. So both the hands are ready. Now taking back my doll and just add little glue in the bottom, and I am adding one blue color paper here so that we can stick legs easily. Now I am starting with the leg. So here I am taking this 30 by 7 cm long strip. I have just added half white and half brown color paper. This white paper is simple printing paper and it is very easy to fold this paper. Now I'm just rolling it around my paintbrush and creating a pipe kind of shape. Just add glue at the end and secure it. So this is done. Now to create shoes, I am taking 3 strips of white color 5mm and I have created tight teardrop shape. So I'm just adding the pant with shoes and our both legs are ready. Now I'm just sticking both the legs with each other from center. Hold it for some time and allow it to dry. Now taking back the doll and I'm cutting the excess paper from bottom and then I will add legs and hands. So this is done and dried. Now to extend the shirt, I am just adding 10mm blue color strip in the bottom. So in this way you can extend the dome if you want to increase the length. Like this. Now it's looking more perfect. Now I'm starting with the ears. For this I'm taking 1/4 strip of peach color. I have just cut my 3mm strip from center, creating one bended teardrop shape. And also the nose is made using 1/4 strip. I have added some 2mm black strips to create hairs. I have just added small strips all around the head part to cover with the hairs. Now I'm adding ears and nose. For the eyes, I have used my 2mm punch hole machine, and then adding lips. For this I have used red color triangle paper. Then here I have created this cute goggle using black circles. I have just added black strip behind and 2 golden circles, and I am just attaching the goggle on forehead. It's looking super cool. Now here I have created some features using black gel pen like eyebrows, moustache, and added this watch using 1/4 strip of black color 3mm. So our cool daddy is ready. Now it's time to make the sun. So I have already prepared the face and hairs using 3 strips of 3mm for black and peach color, and I have already prepared domes as well. Now I'm just joining both the domes and making the face. And I have prepared the neck also, just like we did for that. And the dome is made using 6 strips of yellow color 5mm. Now I'm just attaching neck and face. Here I have added small strips of black color only in the front part to add little hairs, and then I am adding ears and nose just like we created for the dad. Then I am adding eyes and smile. Then here I have used 4 strips of red color 3mm and created one dome, and this is made using one strip of 3mm red color. This is a simple bended semicircle, and I am adding the dome with the bended semicircle to create the cap. So I am just making one small cap for our sun, and I am wrapping this whole thing using red color 3mm strip just to tighten it little more, and it will also adhere both the parts very well. So cap is ready. Just cleaning excess glue, and then I am going to put the cap on boy's head. You can put the extended part on left side or right side or on back side. It's all up to you. But I think on right side it's looking more cool. Like this. Then I have prepared the hand using one strip of yellow color 5mm and palm using one strip of 3mm peach color. So I am just connecting the palm and hands. In the same way I have prepared one more, and the legs are made using one strip of red color 5mm and foot is made using 1.5 strip of black color 5mm. So I am just joining leg with boots. In the same way I prepared one more. Now here this is made using one strip of red color 5mm. This is again a bended semicircle. So first I am attaching both the legs, and then I will add semicircle on the back side. Since I wanted a bended legs, that's why we need to create one semicircle for back support. Allow it to dry. It's dried. Now I am adding both the hands. Hold it for some time. Now I am going to stick the boy on daddy's hand like this. Hold it tightly, and this is done. So it's looking super cute and super cool. I had just added the hands below boy's hand because it will look more nice. Okay, so just remember that thing while making your dolls, and the cute model is ready. Now here I am taking the 9 cm diameter cardboard circle, and I am just wrapping one green color craft paper around this. So our base for showpiece is ready. Then I am starting with flower pot. So I have prepared this tight coil using 3 strips of orange color 5mm, and this ring is made using 2 strips of 5mm orange color. Remember the diameter of both the circles should be same, and I have created this ring randomly. Now I'm just opening the tight coil and ring as well and adding glue inside both and connecting with each other. So the flower vase is ready. Then I'm taking some small green paper strips. I have cut some zigzag design on this and I'm just making a small ring using this grass kind of thing and putting it inside the flower pot. Just add glue around it and stick it inside the flower pot and just spread the upper grass outwards. Now here I have some ready-made flower pollens. These are plastic pollens and I'm putting it inside the flower vase. It's looking super cute. In the same way I have prepared one more with the broader diameter pot. I have also shared these pots in my story if you have checked before. Now I'm taking back my base and sticking father and son duo and adding these pots for decoration here and there like this. And then I'm taking one more piece of grass and adding all around the surface of our green base. Like this. Here I have this beautiful lamb die cut out, so I have just added it for decoration. And also I have the cute bicycle die cut out, so I'm just putting it on back side. So all these portions are for decoration only. You can use anything which you have, like small trees or any football, small football or any playing game, and in this way you can decorate it. It's looking super cute, just looking like they are standing in any garden. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. I'm waiting for your comments. See you next time. Bye bye.